EDC Specialties, and we're 1 week away from the big event. It's the 3rd annual NorCal Knife Meet Up, and it's right here in Gold River on the property of EDC Specialties out here in the parking lot. This is going to be a great event. We have so much stuff lined up for you. We can't wait to see you there. Okay everyone, so this is Coloma Road, and the main artery out there is Sunrise. So if you get off of Highway 50 at Sunrise, you'll come north and you'll turn on Coloma Road. So when you get to the shop, the first thing you're gonna see is EDC Hansen, king of EDC in all of his glory. You can't miss Hansen. He'll be out here in front right here, okay? Now you're gonna keep going, you're gonna go past our driveway and you're gonna turn right at the light. That's Gold River Road. Okay everyone, this is the main entrance of the event on Gold River Road. So this is the driveway that you'll be walking up. Just park down Gold River Road. There are a number of different places that you can park. Please be courteous, don't block driveways or businesses, and be aware of no parking areas. We're not responsible for your vehicle or its contents. Motorcycle and handicap parking is available inside. Okay guys, if you signed up as a volunteer, first of all, thank you very much. We need your help, it's awesome. We ask for at least 2 hours of your time during the day in order to qualify for all the cool stuff we have scheduled for you, which includes a free t-shirt and a meal ticket, so make sure you get those when you come in. If you signed up to be a volunteer, please see Greg or Christy when you get here, and you'll be given an assignment. You'll get your volunteer badge and all the other stuff. We'll have bottled water for you while you're on duty, and again, just at least 2 hours of time. We have a ProTech Strider S&G donated by ProTech and engraved for the event that we're going to raffle off for our volunteers only. So when you come and volunteer, make sure you get a raffle ticket for that special thing for you guys. Okay, vendors, thank you very much, first of all, for being here. You guys make this whole thing happen. I think we have a great schedule of vendors this year, a lot of new vendors as well. So there are knife makers. Listen, if you're a vendor, get here by 8:45 a.m. When you get here, please see Greg. You're gonna come past this first driveway. This is gonna be blocked off, and you're gonna enter right up here in this second driveway. When you pull in, you'll pull up and in, and we'll tell you where your spot is. You're gonna pull right up to your spot, unload your stuff into your spot, and then you'll drive down right through here and you'll park in our vendor designated parking, which is right back there. You can come back up and get set up in your spot. That way we keep a good flow of traffic coming through. So we'd like to get you set up and make sure everybody's in their place by about 9:45. First things first, personal safety is of the utmost importance at the NorCal Knife Meetup. First aid's available on site. It'll be right here, point and center at the sharp test booth. There are several people on site who are trained in first aid. There's also a finger cut sample tourniquet in every swag bag. So there'll be hundreds of finger cut tourniquets around in case anybody gets cut. Please observe reasonable health and safety standards in accordance with COVID-19 and other protocols, and everyone must sign a Hold Harmless agreement before entering. All right, you've parked your car and you've made it to the event. When you come in, there'll be walk-in entrance on the Gold River Road side. There's no entrance from Coloma Road. A volunteer will direct you over to here to the Knife Lounge, where you'll see our registration tables. There's also a VIP registration as well. So once you get here to the registration tables, you'll get your wristband, you'll get your swag bag, all kinds of good stuff in here. If you pre-registered for the event, you're guaranteed a swag bag. Inside your bag, there's gifts from our sponsors. There's a finger cut sample tourniquet. There's 3 raffle tickets. Those are the yellow ones. That's for our hourly giveaways. So we've got so much stuff to give away. Keep those handy. You'll be digging for those every hour at least to see if you win something. Also, you're going to get an information sheet like this with a red raffle ticket attached to it. Make sure you take that over to the Lack Fear Not Gear booth and register to win the $1,500 5-year anniversary EDC giveaway from EDC Specialties. All right, if you purchased a meal ticket or a VIP package, you'll get that here at the registration table as well. VIPs, you can pick up your t-shirt here also. All right, right here, you guys, is going to be the high-end reserve auction. We've got 3 amazing items for silent auction. These are high value, rare knives with reserve prices attached to them. If the highest bid doesn't get met for the reserve price, then the item will not be sold. The reserve price is not published. You can bid as many times as you like. Bidding ends at the end of the day. Winners will be notified by phone within 24 hours. All right, we all know that you're gonna get a little hungry, a little thirsty during the day. Well, don't worry, Mas Tacos Taco Truck will be here. Ricardo has done an awesome job for us the last couple of years, and he'll be here again. If you purchase a $10 meal ticket, you'll get 3 tacos and some beans and rice, and then you can purchase your own beverages. He's got hot wings, all kinds of other stuff. Great taco truck. It'll be right here, right in the front, next to the registration booth. Please do not bring your own food or drink into the event. Alcoholic beverages are strictly prohibited. One of the highlights of the NorCal Knife Meetup is the buy sell trade booth. It's right here at the end of the parking lot. It's a 20 by 20 tent. We've got 6 tables set up in there, and it's all free for all buy sell trade. You can do whatever you want in this booth. As a matter of fact, if you're smart, you might even print out a picture of something that you have for trade or sale, put it down, tape it down on the tablecloth, walk around and let somebody know that you've got that. Just only rules, no stabbing. All right, everybody knows that the key to a good knife is the edge. How sharp is your knife? Well, you can find out at the NorCal Knife Meetup. Right in the center here is going to be our sharp test booth. We have a certified best sharp tester. You get 3 pulls for $5, and there's a whole bunch of great prizes you can win, including a Wicked Edge WE 100 Pro Pack worth $600. Okay, so you might have noticed when you came in through the Gold River entrance, you passed the Smart Axe throwing trailer. Now this is really cool. It's free for everybody who's in. So when you come in, you get registered and everything, you can go back over to the Smart Axe trailer. You'll have to sign a waiver for them because they have the full liability on that. But I'll tell you what, it's a blast to throw that axe and see if you can get it bullseye. Okay, so right here, centrally located, through that door, it will be clearly marked. We will have public restrooms. Now these are our restrooms at the store, folks, so take it easy in there. Let's keep everything clean. Please let a volunteer know if anybody needs any attendance in there or we need supplies. We want everyone to visit us inside the store. If you've never been to EDC Specialties before, we are America's EDC store. Everything in the store is made in America, and this is our 5-year anniversary. It's a way for us to say thank you to all of our customers for 5 years of American-made EDC. Since the day of the event, it's really crowded, and we want to make sure that everyone has a comfortable experience in the store. We need you to take a number outside. You'll find it at the registration table. Take a number, you'll be called over the PA while you're out doing your thing, and then you can just come up. You don't have to wait in any line and come right into the store and have a great shopping experience. You can browse, you can shop, or you can just say hi to America's favorite EDC store crew. While you're in the store, you're free to browse around and shop all the great EDC items. Honestly, the store has never been so full. We have hundreds and hundreds of American-made EDC pocket tools, wallets, keychains, pens, flashlights, all kinds of accessories, now packed knife storage cases, all types of things, and a cat. I mentioned a couple of special guests. You know, EDC Hansen, the king of EDC, is going to be here. Well, the king of pocket knives is going to be here too. Greg Medford, our special guest for the 3rd year in a row. We really are honored to have one of the world's greatest knife makers here at the store representing his brand and the Medford Nexus Premier Pro Shop at EDC Specialties. And he is bringing a ton of Medford knives like you have never seen before. Both of these racks are totally full. We will be awaiting this shipment. It's getting here in a couple of days. While you're here, you have to stop in the Knife Lounge. It will be completely full of USA-made knives. This entire wall will be 15% off. It's already completely full of Kershaw's, Hogue's, Benchmade, Spyderco. Oh, we've got so many knives coming in. We have an entire wall of Tactile Knife Company bare slip joints and Rockwall thumb studs coming in, and several of them are going to be customized. Watch out for that. A tremendous selection of collector knives and customs, tour knives, a full line of tour knives, including the Tomahawk. And wait until you see what we are getting from Chris Reeve. Honestly, this is the largest shipment we have ever gotten from Chris Reeve 26 knives in a single shipment coming in, and you're not going to believe it, they're all matching sets. Large and small plain Janes, large and small micarta, large and small Damascus, large and small inlays. It goes on. Love it. All right, guys, don't forget, this is really important. This red ticket here is good for a chance to win this $1,500 EDC kit. There's everything in here. This double-decker now pack case, all custom done to fit everything: your wallet, your watch, your lighter, your knife, pry bar, pen, everything you need. It all comes. This is our giveaway. It comes with everything. $1,500. You need to turn that in to get it. Hey guys, we're celebrating our 5th year anniversary, don't forget. And our Lack Fear Not Gear branding has really been a hit. And one last thing, there's going to be 20 of these special commemorative coins. This is a Mokutai coin with the Lack Fear Not Gear logo on it, and 5 years of EDC Specialties. These are hand done. Each one is going to have a certificate of authenticity. It's going to come with a patch and sticker set with the Lack Fear Not Gear logo, and 5 years of EDC Specialties. So watch for those, available April 1st, our 5-year anniversary. April 1st, we'll have 20 of them available. They'll hit the website. You got to be quick.